Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today we will discuss about mm, method to delete products which do not have images. So actually this question is asked by someone to me, and I was thinking that many people also suffering with this problem and also face this problem. So um, I am giving I already gave solution to him, but uh, I thought I have to make a video for it. So making a video for solve this problem. Okay, and first go to plugins and uh, uh, and install snippet plugin if you want, and if you do not want, then go to appearance and uh, and go to theme file editor, and it must be your child theme, not parent theme, because we know if we add anything inside parent theme, then it whenever we update that parent theme, then our all customized code will remove. So we always add some code inside child theme, not in parent theme. So like at here I am in child theme, storefront child theme. So um, go to function.php, and at here go to down, and at here I will add some code at here. So first I am explaining you what we will get, like via work action. You can delete uh, delete products which do not have images, like this product I am removing this image from this product. Now it is deleted. Sorry, now image deleted. Now we have to delete this product. So for it we can delete this by no, this method, but we whenever there are lots of product, like 200 300 product, then we cannot click one by one. So for that mm, change at here like 40 or 50, like 40. Okay, and then select all and with delete product without image, and apply at here. It will ask, are you sure you want to delete all product without image? And this section cannot be undo. Okay, click on OK. Now that product is gone, that product is deleted. So I added snippet for that, and you can also you can add that via a snippet, or you can add that inside child theme. It is your it is your it is your move. So at here, and I am deactivating, because if I add inside child theme, then it will duplicate, and it also give conflict, mm, it will also give conflict. So I am deactivating from here and adding inside function.php and updating. And I also explaining this code. I will provide this code at in my guest and in my in video description, so don't worry. And inside that I will just uh, add some code with action filter, admin footer, and inside I check edit.php and post type not product, then it will return. And I added some script for that, and inside uh, another action admin in it, then also check action is uh, is set action and delete no image. Then we will do some query at here. And one more thing, uh, if you have if you have database access, then you can run this MySQL query at your end, and then all product will delete. So there is no requirement for add inside function.php. and and that's it, guys. And after doing this, there are two steps also. Before doing this, take backup, so that if you feel I did some wrong, then there is backup on your page, uh, on your store or on your cpanel, so you can store again. And after doing all functionality, delete delete all product which you want, means if you want 100 product which do not have images, then you can delete via this method. And after that, after deleting these product, you must remove this code from your function.php if you want, because uh, because because it is not required at that time. And because you are aware with image, etc. So, and it will take some space, so you can delete uh, this you can delete this code snippet from your end. And I recommend you add this code via snippet, so that you can um, deactivate and activate whenever you want. And for add snippet plugin, just go to plugin section and click on add new plugins, and add. Okay, I think net is not working, I think Wi-Fi is not working. Okay, so it is not showing, but you can find via click via enter snippet at here, and you can get snippet plugin. And I also provide snippet path at in my YouTube description, so don't worry. And that's it guys, thanks for watching.